Hi guys, this is Miley. Welcome to my channel, and it's our moving vlog, and today is the day we are moving to our new condo. This condo is very closer to their school. Since we don't have car, it's very easier for us to move somewhere closer. So in this hot weather, like it's like 32-33 degrees and humid, so it's like back and forth. We walk everywhere. Other than that, it's easier. I don't know what I'm talking. It's easier, so that's why we are moving. So yeah, I'll take you to the empty house tour and our moving journey. Ta-da! It's our new condo! I'm super happy that we are here. Finally! It's not very too far from our previous place, but I'll show you around. Okay, should I go back? It's the entrance. There's no one to open, so I'm gonna just come from there. If you turn around this way, here's the kitchen. It's not bad, right? It's really cute kitchen. It's a huge fridge, and then there's a microwave, and then lots of cabinets, and then little oven and range, and the dining table. It's so big, so we don't have a designated working space, so the dining table is going to be our working space. And here's what we are going to eat and have fun. Here's a cabinet. We can store the toys and everything there. And here's the sofa, sectional sofa, and someone is already lounging there. It's the TV system. Here's the full glimpse of our living room, and then kitchen, dining room, and these are the outdoor curtains and the outdoor thing. There's a small balcony. Yeah, I love this. Look at that. We can sit there and have some coffee, beer, and then you overlook. And there's a gym, and there's an office downstairs where we can work, and then rooftop. We are not going to the rooftop now. I'll take you in the evening. But now, yeah, I'm super excited. And then, yeah, that's the full house. And let's go to the luggages are there. So let's go and see the rooms. Here's a countertop, like high chairs, and they are pretty deep, and ooh, impressive. And this is the washer and dryer. It's not really normal in Mexico. You don't find washer and dryer in every apartment or anything. Like normally you take it to a laundry places, and they will weigh your clothes and then charge per kilogram. So this is like in the new condos they are offering this, but I don't think I'm going to use this. Like I would still go and give my clothes and wash them, dry them. They will fold and give it to me, and that's a luxury. Why would I use this? So, the common washroom. There's a sink, toilet, and a standing shower. It's pretty spacious, and yeah. And you can open this washroom and go to the other room. It's going to be Dia's room or guest room. I don't really invite guests when I'm traveling. I want to explore by myself. I don't want to entertain someone, so I don't do that. I know it sounds pretty selfish, but yeah, it's hard to manage with a kid and then schooling, finding everything new, and then it's really hard to entertain a guest. So I don't really do that when I'm traveling. Whoever is in Toronto, when I'm coming there, I would love to meet you, but when I'm going to a new place, like, I don't really offer that. So that's me personally. And there is our AC and a ceiling fan. That's a plus. That's a plus. And a huge wardrobe. And love the drawers. That's the street view. Ooh, that's locked, so it's the same. So that's another thing that I don't like about winter. It's so dark, so gloomy. I hate it. But here it's all about the natural light. So yeah, I'll show you. It's the king size bed and the bedside tables, and again lots of drawers and lots of space for clothes. And mostly they do have a safe, like in any condo you will get a safe here. I don't know if it's normal in Toronto. Yeah, and the street view, I hope it's not going to be noisy, and then I'm going to be super upset. And the ceiling fan and the AC, that's very important both in this weather. Shower, nothing fancy, but yeah, it's a little bit fancy, or nothing fancy, whatever that is. In Mexico, this is fancy. So this is our condo tour this time, and until then, it's Miley. Bye bye.